In Bangalore, I am known as Podi Nanmaga
Oh, pudi Nanmaga.
because I make chutney pudis.
Wow.
So this is our hazelnut cacao tablet. So it comes with a hammer so you can break it and then eat it.
When people are telling healthy is not tasty,
Yeah.
please try this.
We do not use normal wheat. Maida is too far away.
Oh,
to be
wow.
used.
Nice.
You'll definitely say, "Oh my God," after you eat this.
My website is mariambake.com. Mariambake.com.
This bag is specially for the Bangalore
Yeah.
with a nice coat.
It's made with upcycled cloth. Yeah, I can make out that. Bangalore is buzzing with entrepreneurship and creative ideas, and not just any ideas. I feel like the products and the services that people are offering nowadays are of world-class quality.
So we just arrived to Namu recommends.
And when we put the Google map, what it happens is it shows us, it will take us to gate A and B, but we have to come little further, then we will get the gate D. So there we have to enter. Okay, let's go inside. Come. This is the person behind this events and all. So may I know your name first? I'm Namu Kini. Oh wow, that's the name is there. Namu,
That's right.
And what is the purpose of doing this, and what is the inspiration for you to do these things and all?
Well, one is that I really love the small businesses that you come across in India, especially in Bangalore. Bangalore is buzzing with entrepreneurship and creative ideas, and not just any ideas. I feel like the products and the services that people are offering nowadays are of world-class quality. And also, there is so many ethical businesses around. I've been vegan myself for about 7 to 8 years now.
Wow, me too.
Oh yeah, great. Okay, so that's nice to know. And so from the side of being a vegan and from the side of being an entrepreneur and a business owner as well, it's exciting for me to bring the two together. And this is a venture to kind of popularize veganism and also interact with the non-vegan community as well. Welcome them into the vegan space and say this is what we have to offer.
People want to know, like, when is the next event?
You just have to follow us on Instagram.
Instagram. Yeah, follow
Yeah.
them. the
Namu
Instagram.
recommends. And
Great ideas, and you are actually encouraging others also to grow their business and all those things. So it's a great thing, and even we have to thank you for this organization and everything.
thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Yeah. So let's go. What all stalls are there? We can just. I will just show you the glimpse of that. But you have to come here and watch, witness this. Crazy name you have.
Thank you so much.
This is your stall.
Yes,
Okay.
I am
what else
also. I am
you have?
in Bangalore. I am known as Podi Nanmaga
Oh, pudi Nanmaga.
because I make chutney pudis.
Wow, chutney pudi.
Yes. We are looking at chutney pudis.
Yeah, chutney pudi.
5 different varieties of chutney pudis are there. They are all my grandmother's recipes. I have pickles as well, which I make. Some mango tokku, puliogre, raw turmeric pickle, hot garlic pickle, tomato tokku, and dates pickle. This is sweet, sour, and spicy. And also today we have some muruku. It's fried in cold pressed sunflower oil, traditional muruku. I am having that for you to taste today.
What do you have?
So we have vegan cheese. They are all cashew based. We have cheese spread as well as hard cheese wheels.
Oh, these are the cheese.
Yeah, so that is our specialty. This is something that you won't find in the market. This is hard cheese wheels, so you can literally take a slice off and take a bite. Yeah,
Do you have for tasting?
yeah, sure.
Can we put the chili garlic? I love it. How much weight it is? 150 grams, 500. But the taste is awesome. Very nice. Thank you. Chocolate. Wow, chocolates are there. Oh my god, it looks like marbles. too.
Yeah, so all of them are hand painted.
You hand painted it?
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. Wow, see this one. Oh my god, what is this?
So this is our hazelnut cacao tablet. So it comes with a hammer so you can break it and then eat
Oh
it.
my god,
Yeah.
we had to make it literally.
Yeah, and it also has some gold leaf on it.
Oh my god. Very nice. So,
This is 370
370.
and we have
100 grams.
yeah.
100 grams, 370. And it's tasty very
So these are all freeze-dried fruits. The idea is to increase the shelf life of the fruit, so you can get fresh fruits without sugar added, without any added sugars, without preservatives all round the year. You can have it as a snack. You can have it with your breakfast meals. So it is a multi-purpose of these fruits. And these are all smoothie powders. You just have to add water or soda, coconut water, milk, and your smoothies are ready.
So we can try.
So,
This is a
because lychee is a fruit that is available hardly like for a month, and you can get this lychees all around the year. Yeah, different prices for different fruits.
So for apple, it is 250 rupees for
20 grams, it's written in the front.
50 grams. So Miss Karishma,
Hello, everyone.
She has a brand of OMG. Yeah,
So all our bakes are without maida and sugar. Everything is whole grain. We have millet brownies.
oh, no sugar also.
No, so we use low GI sweeteners like coconut sugar and jaggery. And everything is whole wheat or millet based. These are orange chocolate cupcakes. This is a savory pesto babka. Again, everything is whole wheat. There's no maida. We have muesli, which is sweetened with maple syrup. We have the banana walnut muffins and pistachio rose cake. Yeah, you'll definitely say, "Oh my God," after you eat this.
Oh, so hi.
Hi.
Can I know this? Oh my god, so cutie, think cutie. I can say the name.
Yeah, I specialize in cutesy stuff.
Yeah, cutie stuff, and this is amazing.
Yeah, these are all different types of succulents which thrive in little water, so they can be placed in the house, and you don't have to worry about watering it all the time.
So wow, see what is this? You know, the pre-loved one. Pre-loved means it's a like somebody already born this and they loved it, but now they become fat or something. Some reason they can give it to someone other person. So they have the store. You can buy this, but it's a not new one, but it's a good condition. So you can buy that. Nice. So how do you work? Like if I want to give something, like is there any option like that?
Like, yeah, you can give close to us, and we raise fund. We sell them. We raise fund for the charity.
You will okay. This is going to be charity.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, that's great. Nice thing. Offline store is there?
yeah. Offline store.
So
it
where is
in,
your offline store?
It is in Gali Bus Road, Halsur.
Halsur.
Yeah,
Okay, only one store that.
yeah, yeah. Only one store.
Nice.
Yeah.
You
Thank
can
you.
explore. Got two dress from here. It's nice. I like the color and design. So and even that is cotton. That's the reason, main reason I'm buying it. So yeah, let's go.
My name is Mariam Beg,
Hi.
and I'm a health coach, and I'm
Health
from
coach.
Bangalore. Yeah, and so I started a fully plant-based kitchen called Maribi Wellness and Kitchen because I teach. This is what I eat at home, and desserts and snacks don't have to necessarily be bad for you. So we use all whole ingredients. A lot of our products are without gluten or oil. So anyone who has
Oil also.
yeah,
No
we have
oil.
oil-free crackers.
Oh.
We have all our chocolates. So many of our desserts have
Even
no oil in
sugar?
them. So sugar is there. So we use either dark jaggery or we use a low glycemic sweetener called Yakon syrup, which is very low on the glycemic index. Our brownies, which are to die for, are made with. So what we do are made with orange. We dry orange, and we use real orange in our brownies, in our granola.
Okay.
And our crackers are oil free. They're 80% seeds, so you feel fuller, and there's very little grain, so it doesn't raise your glycemic index so much. And all these things are just natural. We don't have artificial anything in them. We have dips, cashew
Dips.
coriander
Oh
dip,
yeah, dips is also nice.
and then that's our favorite dessert. That's a coconut chocolate fudge, and we have a mango just for the season. We have a mango fudge.
Nice.
A mango pudding.
Wow.
My website is mariambake.com. Mariambake.com.
So here we are, Ardhan being. Okay. Hi. What's
Hi.
your name?
My name is Ajit.
Okay.
We have a range of farm to table products.
Mhm.
Basically, we are helping farmers connect to a market like Bangalore. So these are farmers who are doing organic and sustainable farming practices, and we are getting their products to a Bangalore consumer. So we have a range of teas, herbal teas, floral teas, vinegars, pickles, ferments, sharbats or coolers, and this entire range is of products is made without any preservatives or chemicals. This is all natural
Natural.
and 100% coming from authentic farms.
I will try this. Good.
ಹಲೋ
So nimdu Anuttama.
ಅನುತ್ತಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಡಾರ್ಕ್
Okay.
ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅನುತ್ತಮ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ
Oh, okay.
ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅನುತ್ತಮ
Uh-huh.
ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವೀಟೆಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಜಾಗರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಕೊನಟ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಸೊ
Okay.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಕಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ
Okay.
ನೋ ಎಮಿಲ್ಸಿಫೈರ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಟ್ರೂ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಕೊಕೋ ಬಟರ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಗ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಜಿಂಜರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕ್ರಾನ್ಬೆರಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸೀ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಬೆಲ್ಲತಾರೆ ಕೀರ್ ಬಸ್ ಬೆಲ್ಲತಾರೆ ಇದು ವೀಗನ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದು ಕೊಕೊನಟ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಇದು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್
Simple. ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದು
200
200 ಎಷ್ಟು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದೆ
50 grams
50 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ 200. ಸೊ ಇದು ವೇಗನ್ನೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ದು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್. Oh, what do you have in your stall? What is the name?
Hi, so we are a brand called Dwella. We are from Manipur and we have a range of iced teas, herbal lemonades and herbal,
It's a
indigenous
tea
herbal
and
teas.
lemonade.
Yes.
It's all hot
herbal.
and cold.
Yes, so the thing is it's made using our products. So you can have it hot or you can also make it cold. Just depends on the method of preparation.
Okay. So this is Crave by Lena. I have heard this. Even I thought of buying a cake for my daughter. She is having birthday. So it's a nice thing. Like I can meet you guys. Do you have a in Bangalore shop is also there?
Yes, we do have an outlet. It's in Kormangla.
Kormangla.
Yes.
Okay. So is there a sugar-free cakes also?
We do sugar-free cakes.
Uh-huh.
And for now, for a stall, we have a sugar-free pastry, which is this chocolate almond joy.
Okay.
Yes.
And what about this maida, all those things?
So we do have options where you can choose for gluten-free options, or if you are looking for a healthy option, we have whole wheat option as well to choose for cakes, for brownies, and for cupcakes as well.
Okay. If people want to order, so how can they get to you?
So we have a website which is www.cravebylena.com.
Okay.
So you can directly place an order through the website.
So this is an interesting one. Like people will be finding snacks to eat, but these are the healthy snacks. Okay, can you tell me your stall? What is your brand and what are the things you have?
Our brand name is Bandy Snacks.
Vandy's. Okay.
We are making all the healthy snacks with taste also. Even people are telling healthy is not tasty.
Yeah.
So please try this.
Yeah, yeah. Always they tell like healthy is not
so
tasty.
I will start with the sweets.
Yeah.
This is Kodo millet.
Kodu millet. Oh
Yeah.
wow. And
So-
you have coated with chocolate?
Yes, this
Oh,
is with the
that's
dark chocolate.
interesting.
You can taste with this.
Okay. Let me taste.
Yeah, taste.
Hmm.
These are the Jawar puffs.
Jawar puffs.
In
Oh,
this we
wow.
have 6 variations.
Okay.
And we have makhanas. We have makhana dosa. We have makhana.
Oh my god, you have lot of varieties.
Yeah, we have makhana upma.
Oh
Yeah,
my
it's an
god.
instant mix. Just mix with the hot water.
Oh
It's ready.
wow, you have that also.
Yes, this is laddu.
Laddu.
Dates laddu.
Dates laddu.
Yeah, with the seeds.
With the seeds.
Yes,
Nice.
with the seeds and almonds.
Okay, what is the cost of this?
This is 200 rupees.
200 rupees food laddu.
Yes.
So hi. So this is Porshuk Live, and they too have organized like potlucks and all. I have been to one of their potlucks. It was nice and awesome. So they have stall here also. Wow, nice.
We have all, without maida, without sugar.
Wow.
And we don't use any processed ingredient, not even essence. So whatever is natural. I'm just a chef.
Okay, chef.
She is a psychodramatist.
Okay.
And one more partner, Sai. Sai is a nutritionist.
Oh,
So this all products are under nutrition, how what one would need.
We have a upcoming workshop also, 21-day back to health workshop.
wow.
Starting on the 9th of August.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So we are called the Clever Nuts, and
Okay.
we are into bioenzyme and plant-based cleaning products.
Oh, it's a bioenzyme.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay.
So this is the home cleaning range, and that's the personal care range.
Okay.
So we have the complete set of home cleaning products like the floor cleaner, the fabric cleaner, the toilet fertilizer, the dishwashing liquid, the powder, and even for the dishwashing machine we have got a powder.
Washing machine? For
Washing
clothes?
machine is the liquid. This is the liquid.
This is.
And we have the plant fertilizer and the vegetable fruit wash also, which is made with flowers. It's the face and body wash.
Ah, yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
I can see
Yeah.
the flower smell.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Price range is, about 290 for the floor cleaner and the fabric and the plant fertilizer for a liter. And the personal care products are priced differently.
okay.
But it's pretty much, the affordable range as compared to other plant-based cleaners.
Okay. And you have a banner, nice banner also.
It's made with upcycled cloth.
Yeah, I can make out that. Yeah, this is one more interesting stall. I have come here.
So, we're Restrip Sustainable Stationery. Everything is made from 100% recycled 100% recycled paper. So we don't cut any trees to make paper. It's all made from waste and discarded paper materials. We have copier paper, notebooks, journals, notepads. Basically, all stationery needs a perfect replacement for your regular stationery. This is a King ruled notebook. It's 50 rupees.
50 rupees.
Yes.
And this?
This is a premium offering. It's 100 GSM paper. We have this in 4 variants. It's 499 per variant.
Okay.
So we have this in ruled, unruled, dotted, square grid.
Nice. This one?
This is 65.
65. Okay, nice. Very nice. What is this?
So that's the copier paper.
Oh,
so for
that
printer
also you
needs-
have?
Yes.
How
so
much
in
is
fact, we
this?
started with the paper itself as an organization.
Oh.
A lot of companies now have shifted to our paper. It's basically an alternative for your regular paper.
Oh, wow. And what is the cost for this?
That's 300 rupees per ream for 500 sheets.
500 sheets. Wow. Nice.
Hey, hi, this is Shriya's India. We are into completely natural cotton and canvas fabric.
Wow.
We are manufacturing anything which can reduce single use of plastics. These are lightweight sunglasses sleeves. These are passport covers. We have posters. These are the DIY Rakhis.
Oh, wow. Nice. Rakhis.
These are some pouches which we can use during travels or anything to organize. We have these roll-up pouches. These trays also are made up of eco-friendly fabrics.
Wow. What is this?
That's a tote bag.
Okay. Nice. You have other things also. Like
Yes,
this
these
one.
are backpacks, DIY backpacks where kids can paint. These pouches also are paintable like this. Any
Oh,
color
wow.
will work on these. We have these travel organizers.
Wow. Nice.
This
Oh.
bag is specially for the Bangalore.
Yeah.
With a nice coat. This is for single piece, it's for 250.
250. And what about this?
This is for 300.
And
These are passport covers for 250. This is Rakhi for 100. These pouches are for 150 and 200. Backpacks are for 250.
wow. Nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So I'm Rajiv from Swasthya Organics. So this brand is all about roasted clean food. We make all our food from organic ingredients. They are all roasted. We try to not put any masala in our products. Most of our products are only salted.
Only salted.
Only salted. We have a couple of products where we use masala, but all the masalas we do not buy from the market. These are all hand grounded in our own facility.
Okay.
So that makes us special.
So these are the roasted one, right?
Correct. Now, if you actually see a lot of products, when you put a lot of masala on them, you do not see the quality of the grain.
Yeah.
Here you see the quality of the grain. You see the quality of the grain here, because these are not coated with any masala, right?
Okay.
Yes. So we do khakras only with jave godi, what we call khapli wheat. We do not use normal wheat. Maida is too far away
Oh,
to be
wow.
used.
Nice.
We don't use normal wheat also.
What nice, and yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
There were many stalls for food. You can have it there only. You can sit and eat food there. But I didn't cover those areas much. And there were many stalls for even clothings. So even I didn't cover that much there. Whichever I found it interesting, only I have covered those stalls. Okay.
Hi, your name?
Hi, I'm Deepa.
Deepa. So, how did you know that this is going? You're organizing everything and all.
Yeah, Namu is one market that I've been following for long.
Oh,
This was
wow.
I am also a brand owner. I have a vegan brand.
Oh,
myself
that's
called
nice.
Satvegan.
Mm-hmm.
So this time I'm not participating, but this was my first vegan market where I also participated for my brand. And
Oh,
I have my
okay.
customers from vegan. The best part of Namu is you get the chosen ones, the best of the best brands here, where you can kind of go ahead and buy it, online, like anytime blindly you can go with this ingredients or the brands. I have few favorite brands like Mini Cheese, Poshak,
Poshak.
and yeah,
And-
and Maribi Wellness also.
Mhm.
These are the few brands which I always come back, and I always have something to purchase here.
Okay.
I've purchased a lot. My bag is full.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's about it. Thank you, and maybe you can see me next in the next edit.
Oh,
with
yeah,
my-
we can see her stall
Yes,
also here.
yes.
Very nice. That's a good thing. And thank you for giving a feedback.
Thank you. Thank
Yes.
you.
Hi. Your name?
Sunaina.
Sunaina.
Actually, this is my first visit.
Okay.
Through some of my friends, and always they talk about Namo. I don't know what is that.
Okay.
And once I found it in Insta,
Mhm.
so I was very curious to come and see what it's. And it was all full of whole food, plant based and vegan. So I too purchased some all healthy snacks and drinks. So it's very welcoming. It's very nice.
Okay. So, did you find any interesting shop that you liked it?
Yeah, it's actually eco-friendly and reusable. And one thing very interesting was that tooth tablets.
Oh, okay.
That was very nice.
Mhm.
And
Thank you. Thank you so
thank
much.
you.
So I have just finished it, and it's like from morning to evening. It took time for me, and I felt it very good, and it's recommendable. You all has to visit here because in a one roof there are many products, many other branches are there, and all are like healthy, and not all like you have to ask them. Okay, and many of them healthy and eco-friendly, and it's tasty also. You have to try. Just come tomorrow. Also, it's there Sunday. Then you can just visit once and just you can buy. I have bought so many things from here actually, so it's very good. I felt it good. Thank you so much.